First of all, I would like to apologize about the air conditioning, but it's 90 degrees outside the camper right now. But anyway, today, it's going to be a different video. We're going to do a little bit of an unboxing. Got ourselves a package today. Well, not today, the other day. From our good friend, Waffles. So in order to keep Waffles' identity secure, I'm going to open it from the bottom. Because last thing Waffles wants is a bunch of maple syrup solicitation. Alright, let's be very gentle here. Right. It appears we have some packing material. So first things first, looks like we've got some Canadian provisions. This would be a good time for all the wildfire smoke going on right now. We got spaghetti and meatballs, menu number 8. It's a newer one. It's got the dog bone. Next we got some chocolate hazelnut protein drink. We've got some chocolate hazelnut protein drink. We got some more chocolate hazelnut protein drink. We've got some lime sports drink. We've got some ice sports drink. We have instant drink with strawberry concentrated juice powder. We've got my favorite tropical punch. We've got some grape flavored drink. Both of these contain, let's see here, 20 grams of sugar, and that one is, yeah, those both have sugar in them, so that's good. And then, hi Chris, hope all is well, man. Enjoy the ration. It's a great meal, in my honest opinion. I enjoy your vids, especially the wonky tray stacks. Take care, Waffles. Look at that little waffle. Oh yeah. Of course, we've got our waffle sticker. Thank you so much for sending this over, Waffles. I cannot wait to try the spaghetti and meatballs. Really appreciate your help and your support for the channel, and I appreciate everybody's time watching my videos. We'll bring you back in another video checking out the waffle stash.